In Ethiopia, life is not easy right now. Inflation keeps rising. The cost of living becomes harder every day. Many families wake up thinking about survival, not comfort. And for some, the pain of conflict and uncertainty still remains. But every weekend, something changes. Cafes fill with red shirts. Streets become louder. Friends gather around small screens. And for 90 minutes, people forget their struggles. Because in this difficult reality, many Ethiopians see Arsenal as a source of happiness. Not because football solves their problems, but because it gives them something they desperately need: joy. When Arsenal scores, people scream with passion. When Arsenal wins, strangers celebrate together like family. For a moment, stress disappears. Worries disappear. Hope returns. Some people may not understand it. How can fans celebrate football while facing economic hardship? But maybe that is exactly why the celebrations are so powerful. When life becomes heavy, small moments of happiness become priceless. For many Ethiopian supporters, Arsenal is more than a football club. It is escape. It is emotion. It is hope during difficult times. This is not just football. This is people trying to smile through hardship. This is Ethiopia supporting Arsenal.